So, it's Monday, my people. How to do, how to do. I'm just coming in from the labor and just want to do a quick shout out. Um, and just to show us something. So, finally, after all this working out and everything else that has been going on, changing my diet, doing all the things that I needed to do and finally had the courage to do. So I'm down 21 pounds. And today I was able to wear a suit to work. Not a big dress, a suit. So my suits, um, I am able now to put them on and wear them. Remember I talked about how when we start gaining the weight, instead of you know keeping the weight down so that we can wear our clothing, we start buying bigger clothing to fit the weight. And that was a big thing for me because I end up with so many unnecessary things because I buy them, then the arms were too big, they couldn't fit. But now, thank God. And so my suits were there sitting there, just sitting. I started buying big dresses, had big dresses made so that I could feel, dress properly to go to work instead of just changing the diet so I could have fitted in my suits. I like to wear my suits because when I teach, I like to dress for my children, so that they could see I'm in the inner cities and a lot of times I don't have people to look up to. And so, as professionals, when we go in, I want people to think of them that they're looking up to them for guidance. They're looking up to them to say, I can become a teacher one day, I can become a doctor, a lawyer. So, the way we carry ourselves is a big thing for me. So that kids know that they don't have to, if they have one, they can come in nice and clean. Whether they're fat or they're skinny, they can still come nicely dressed. So, that's the reason why I made sure that I would dress the way I dress for work. So I don't go into the stores to buy the suits. I had my sister in law in Jamaica, my husband's sister, beautiful seamstress at the time. She, every school year, she would make maybe 6 suits. I'd have them to wear to work. But then the weight comes on, and I started just didn't know what to do. So I started wearing bigger clothes just to feel comfortable. Um, and but then today, last night, I was able to fit in my suit, and there are others that I see that I can fit into. So this whole week, I'll be able to wear a suit, back in my element. And I'm just going with it one day at a time. As I said, 1 pound at a time. I'm not looking for any big payouts. I'm not looking for anything unrealistic. I'm just taking my time and just seeing where it goes. Um, so I'm comfortable now. I'm getting there. I'm still, the weight is still there, but it's not as overwhelming as it was before. Um, again, I'm moving around nicely. Today I did my 6 classes and I feel so good. I'm into it. I'm into the virtual teaching and I've talked to Prince Nick and we're gonna be going back to the Math Made Simple. So we're working on something so that when I get into the mode, when it gets into mode, when Math Made Simple gets into the works, that it will be a success. So again, my people, it's not much to say. I'm just still giving thanks, just giving so much thanks and praise, and you know, I'm getting there. I'm not, I'm getting there, and I'm not stressed out, and I'm good, and just again, I'm always with a thankful heart, and so it's peace out, one love, And for those of you struggling like myself or who had the struggles like myself, just know there's always hope. I remember when I was just huffing and puffing just to move from point A to point B, and now I'm just going with the flow. I'm moving better. I sound much better. I'm getting more done. Honestly, I used to suffer so much from my back. When I need to wash the dishes, I had to lean over on the sink just to give myself some ease. Now, yesterday, I did so much. I cooked yesterday. I did fish. I did snappers. I did tilapia. I even baked a chicken for my husband, and I was able to do all of that. So as I lose the weight and I'm feel stronger. When I went out in the evening to walk, it felt good, refreshing. So I'm grateful I started, and thanks to all of you who supported me on the journey, because you gave me that wind within beneath my wings, so that I could fly. And as I start flying, I feel like I could just keep soaring. So that's where I'm at. I wanted to share with you that I was in a suit today. I wasn't in a big dress at work today. I was in a suit, and that feels awesome. So, feel encouraged, all of you in the same situation like myself. And those of you who are not in that situation, there might be other things going on. Feel encouraged just the same. Feel powerful. Let no one take away your joy, because you are important. And I know I am important. And because of that, I am motivated to go forth, onward and upward, losing 1 pound at a time, and just loving me because I am special. So peace out, take care of yourself, and walk good.